Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your First Republic gift card online, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure it's ready for use. Step 1. Locate the gift card and find the activation website address printed on the back or in the accompanying materials. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and visit the First Republic gift card activation website. Step 3. Enter the gift card number found on the front or back of your card into the required field. Step 4. Provide the security code or CVV number, typically found on the back of the card near the signature strip. Step 5. Fill in any additional required information such as your name, address, and contact details to register the card. Step 6. Review all entered information carefully to ensure accuracy before proceeding with activation. Step 7. Click the Activate or Submit button to process your gift card activation request. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your First Republic gift card has been successfully activated and is ready to use for purchases online or in stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.